What's going on, guys?
How you doing?
What's good?
We are back with another episode. We are Sneak City. We are located in Seattle, Washington. If you guys are visiting or if you're locals, make sure you come check us out. We're located in Fremont. I got the boys pulling the sold pairs. We got quite a few sales. Let's take a look at what sold really quick. If you guys saw these on the last video, you missed out. We just got these yesterday and they have already sold. Big boy, size 14, Travis High, Gonzo. Don't see these very often. The Fear God with the corduroys. These are brand new, size 10. These are gone as well. We've had these for a little while. Finally sold these, size 8.5, green Sakai's. Don't forget everything in our store
On our website, www.thesneakcity.com, or Instagram at thesneakcity.
But, alright guys, let's see what deals we can get into today.
Let's do it.
So,
How you guys doing?
No way.
Every time I got time off.
Thank you guys. I appreciate it. You came prepared with the hand truck?
No, of course I had to put air in it first.
Oh my gosh.
See if I was trying to get those the units, the university. The ones going for 4.
Okay, what's that? 13?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got them.
I know. I keep on
We have like
staring
3
at it every
pairs
night.
of them.
I do. You guys just sent a pair to me the other day.
Which ones?
I'm talking the Volts.
Oh,
That's me.
you live in, you have,
Birmingham. I tried to call you guys earlier today, but
yeah, our
see if you guys
phones.
are available.
Our phone's turned off right now.
Let's just check.
So mainly cash and then just a
Store
little bit of
credit.
trade.
Store credit for the. Where is it right there?
You know, I think we have like 3 pairs of them. They should just be, I think, right there.
Quality dead stock.
Yes.
Okay. Let me grab this. About the same.
Both the same.
Yes, ma'am.
They're doing so many different colorways with these phones.
Yeah.
It's crazy. Alright. We do retail 100 each on these.
I'll just keep one of these. Retail on that one. Fresh.
We got 90 on these.
You may get 100.
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay.
Do 110 on these.
You may get 120.
I just bet 110.
Okay, that's fine.
Could be at 80.
That's fine.
Carmine's would be at 180.
Okay.
These would be at 180 as well.
Okay.
These would be at like 150.
It'll be 160.
That's fine.
Thank you.
These would be at 2.
You know, like 210.
I just bet 2 on these.
Okay.
170 on these.
Maybe 180.
That's cool. 140 on these.
Maybe 150.
That's cool. Do 80 on these.
90.
Yes.
The gray toes.
You do 80 on these.
You may get 90.
Do 160 on these.
Maybe 170.
Do 170 on them.
Which one's that one?
10 and a half.
You may get 180.
And 170.
Pull my finger.
Alright, 1960, and then I'm gonna pass on these 2 pairs.
Okay.
In that deal, he traded these pairs on the left for our dead stock University Blue Jordan 1s, and we added $1,560 on top.
So those are the only dead stock ones.
Okay.
Everything else is barely used or worn like once.
Just looking to sell everything or trade?
Probably so, but I'll take a peek.
Awesome.
I'll get that one.
And I'm unsure about these, but I figured I'd just bring them just in case.
Okay. Did you have prices in mind?
Yeah, like rough.
What were you thinking on these? Just worn like a couple times, right?
Yeah, maybe like 3 or 4 or something.
Like 2?
That's kind of what I was thinking about.
This is cash, and then if you wanted to trade, we could bump it up a little bit more
Okay.
depending on.
Sounds good.
Like 100 on these,
That's what I was thinking, yeah.
and then like 140 on these.
Sure, why not, yeah.
These ones, these I think called slate.
Yeah, yeah.
Seven's is pushing it for me.
I don't even remember getting rid of the box here because I never do. I must have just lost it while moving.
We probably just do like 50 or so.
Okay. Yeah, that's fair.
Be 490 cash, and then if you did find something that you like, we can bump it up a little bit more.
Could we do maybe just like an even 5 cash?
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay, cool. Well, yeah, I'll take a look around.
Okay.
Thanks.
In that deal, we bought these 5 pairs of shoes for a total of $500.
How are you doing?
Good. Hey, you guys busy today?
You know, it's not
Not too bad.
too bad today. I think a lot of people are like going to come in tomorrow instead.
Oh yeah, okay.
These fit so small. All the
Yeah.
newer cubbies, they fit tiny.
She didn't want them.
She didn't want them. Did you get them for resale?
Yeah, we got them from the raffle, and then
Nice. Everything's brand new.
yeah.
Were you looking to trade or just sell them?
Just sell 'em. Just gotta make room for like diapers and everything. I just had a boy like 3 days ago.
Congratulations. Holy crap, 3 days ago.
Thanks.
How's it been so far?
Oh, it's been sleepless nights.
Has it really?
It's my second one, so I'm kind of used to it.
Uh-huh. How old is your oldest one?
She's gonna be 3 in October.
Nice. Is she excited?
Yeah, she's kind of like standoffish a little bit, but
She's like, I'm not the only child anymore.
yeah, she's spoiled her whole life, so now she got to share everything
175 on these.
on those. Yeah,
Same on these, 175.
75, 180.
That's fine. 175 on these as well.
Yeah, that's cool.
Do 250 on these ones.
250, 280.
280 and then 2 a piece on these.
210 a piece on those.
270 and 210 a piece.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, 1220.
In that deal, we bought these shoes for $1,220.
I was here a few months back. I was the one with the golden doodle that Moscow
Aww.
freaked out on, or she freaked out on.
You guys were out front, right?
Yeah.
With the tiny one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bigger? He or she?
Yeah, she. Just got back from Florida. And she doubled in size. That's
Oh my
crazy.
gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah, he grew really fast too. I think he was full grown by like 8 months.
Yeah, she's 6 months, and
These are worn, right?
they are. Yeah, lightly. I tried to clean them up as best as I could
Yeah, they
too.
look good.
Everything is worn except the 5s on the bottom. Yeah, when we got her back from the daycare, we're like, oh man, we just lost your puppy phase.
That's so funny.
See, this is her now. I'm holding her.
Oh
so
my
she's
gosh,
much
yeah,
bigger.
she's gotten way bigger. Holy crap. Is it hard to recognize her like that much bigger? When you picked her up?
Yeah, she, it was funny because when we picked her up, she kind of stopped and looked at us and like
Aw.
wasn't sure if, and then she smelled us and probably heard our voices, realized it was us.
He freaks out when we leave him home for like an hour. So.
Yeah,
Did you have prices in mind what you're looking to get?
yeah.
Or?
I don't know how, like these I would take at cost of, minus the tax, so 2, whatever that was. The white cement 4s are probably my biggest. I still have some sentimental value with these. I don't know, because I think you're selling some for $575 right now. I don't know if 500 is too high resale or
500 would be too high. We'd probably be closer to like 350.
350. Would you go for?
Probably not. And then these would probably be around 220 or so. And then the metallics would be around 150 or so. And then these probably just be at 2.
2. How much total of that? That would be, I was
What is
hoping maybe it was
that?
1,200, but it might be a little too high.
But it's at like 870.
Okay. Yeah. I think I'll definitely off the 5s. I'm debating if I should get rid of the other 3. And then you said 150 for the white
For the ones,
metallics.
yeah.
Okay, so I would put it at 350. And how much for the white cements?
Was that 220?
220. Okay. So 220, 150. So minus the 350. We'd be looking at about 5.
Yep.
520. Would you go 550 for the 3?
Could you do 900 for all 4?
If I could get a 1,000, I would do all 4. That's about 250 each on average. I would do that.
Could you meet me at 950?
Yeah, probably not. These right here these are one of my grails. So I guess there's
And you wouldn't want store credit or anything, just cash?
For now, yeah. It's more so saving for a house and just offing some pairs that I have in the closet. So it's not necessarily I need to get rid of them. It's more just trying to prioritize budgeting and all that good stuff. Yeah, I think for all 4 for 250 each, I think 1,000 would be good, but
I'd do 950, otherwise I just take probably just these 2 at 220 and 150.
yeah. Okay, let's do it. 950.
Okay.
In that deal, we bought these pairs of shoes for a total of $950.
All right, guys, that is going to be the end of today's episode. We do have a couple special visitors.
They're being shy.
They are being very shy, but this is Chai and Maxwell. They are visiting from Los Angeles. They are going to help me do the recap today. So, what do we have? We have a pair of the New Balance. I think these are the Better Days. What do you guys think about this one?
It's nice.
It's
Would
nice?
you wear it?
Yeah.
You would wear it? Okay. We get a pass from Chai. Okay, what's next? This
I really
is,
like these.
What's it called? What's the name
Read
on the
it.
bottom?
Orange labeled SB Dunk.
Orange label Espy Dunk. What size?
Size 9.5.
Size 9.5. I like those a lot. I really like this gum bottom on the bottom. It's like, yeah, I really like
I like the black.
it. Me too. Easy to wear because you can match it with a lot of stuff, huh?
Uh-huh.
What else? This is the new Union Jordan 4 that just released. This is the Taupe Haze, size 9.5. Gonna be on the website for $750. What about this one? What do you think about this one?
This is
Do you know what that's called?
Oh, Yeezy.
Yeah, Yeezy. What size is that one?
This one is 10.
Size 10. How much are we gonna sell that one for?
It says 420.
420. Show them. Give them a nice little look close up of it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I like these. I like the darker shoes.
You'd wear these ones too?
Mm-hmm.
Chai said he would wear all of them. He's got some good taste. All right, we have a pair of the Sambas. These are a size 9.5, going for $200. Just go through the rest of these pretty quickly. Got some Tinker 3s. A pair of the new Ftc Espy Dunks. These just released. What do you think about these?
This is okay.
A lot of colors, huh? A lot of bright colors.
Yeah.
These ones are okay too. I don't know if I would wear that one, but I do like it. Pair of Fire Reds, the Chicago edition. And then a Raging Bull pack, brand new. What size are these? Size 9.5. Gonna be available on the website. Got a few more.
Couple more over here.
Try pick out your favorite out of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is your favorite pair?
Probably either this one or
That's
this
a good
one.
choice. Between these two,
Mm-hmm.
those are some good choices.
I like the red.
I do like the red. I like this one because it's just easy to wear, easy to match with. But you guys see a pair of this Jordan 1 lows, Oreos, satin snakes, pair of the clots. These are super cheap right now, going for $140. I like these two. I think these are the wheat SB Dunks. And then last but not least, we got some of the Japan neutral gray Jordan 1s and then the Crimson Dunk Highs. But alright guys, that is going to be the end of today's episode. Oh yeah, Bruce wants us to...
Oh yes.
Shout out to Jimmy.
Shout
Jimmy
out.
Anderson. He sent us this for our new house. Thank you so much, Jimmy. We really appreciate it. He's got like the claws, gray claws on with the gloves. Super, super dope.
I'm so excited to hang this in our new house.
Yeah, me too.
Thank you, Jimmy.
Alright guys, that is going to be the end of today's episode. Thank you, Chai, for coming out, being in the closer with us. So, until next time, we out. Bye. Okay guys, we forgot to tell you, but we're going to go. We rented a boat, a little electric boat with our visitors. So we just parked here. We're at the waterfront. We parked kind of uncomfortably close to this really nice teal Porsche that looks really fun to drive.
Yeah. But we got our food.
We're gonna eat on the boat.
Same. Minus weight? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't. Okay, I'm confused on that. Seriously, no. On the sides, I can.
Anastasia, landing the boat. How's it going?
Crash. It's all good. This thing goes like 5 miles an hour.
I know.
5 knots.
This is full throttle, and we're.
I don't drive too much on Kaiser.
I wanna live in one of these.
Yeah, you see river mountains.
These houseboats are super cool.
That big one that looks like it's.
Oh, this one?
I know.
Oh yeah, they own this.
How is it?
We are back on land. We made it safely. It was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the views. I know we did. It was a great day out here in Seattle.
Electric boat company.
Electric boat company. Rentals.
Makes your ass sweaty.
I know.
You said your buddy watches our channel? What's his name? Shout him out. Who?
My guy Jaden.
Shout out Jaden. What? Alrighty guys, thanks for coming along with us. We are getting ready to go home. I hope everyone has a great night. And we'll see you next episode. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching.